Hey guys, it's me, Nita. Welcome and welcome back to the channel. I miss you guys. I haven't seen you guys since last year, so I hope that your new year has been off to a fantastic and great start. But guys, we're gonna jump right into this video because what I want to share with you is two kitchen cabinets that HERNEST sent out to me. HERNEST is a furniture company, and they asked me to try two of their kitchen cabinets, but I do want to let you guys know that I'm not using these as kitchen cabinets because, as you may have already seen in my previous videos and of my kitchen, that I have ample enough storage in there. I have tons of cabinet space and countertop space, and I don't have room for these cabinet units. So, but I want to let you guys know how versatile they are and how I'm going to be using them in my office. So guys, let's go ahead and get started. I don't want to hold you too long, but let me show you what they look like, and then we're going to move them into my office, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to use them in that area. And one last thing, I won't be using them for like storing or housing any of my office stuff. I need them for an overflow of my primary bedroom closet. My husband and I were busting out the seams in that little small closet of ours. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to use these shelving units to maximize the space of my office, and I'm going to use it in there. So come on, let's just go ahead and get started. So this is what the cabinets are looking like. They sent out two cabinets to me, so you can use them as a set and have them placed side by side with each other to give you a more larger unit, or you can use them separately. So right now I do have them side by side. In my office, however, I will not be using them side by side because I already have a cabinet in there, and I'm gonna flank them on either side of the cabinet. So, but this is what it looks like. It has here a wine rack, a wine glass rack. So you can hang your wine glasses here, and it has 3 shelves. And then down below you have the barn doors, which is an absolutely cute feature on these cabinets. I love it. And this is what that looks like. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, and then down here again, remember they are kitchen cabinets, so they do have this section here where you can place wine bottles here. Of course, I'll be using it for something else. And then on this side, you do have 2 shelves as well. And so they are both identical. And again, this is what they look like. HERNEST is a furniture company that offers timeless elegance and quality craftsmanship. So whether you're in the market for the perfect TV stand, makeup vanity, nightstand, sideboard, or buffet, you may be able to find it at HERNEST. Tons of selections and styles to choose from mid-century modern, and of course my very favorite, organic modern. All pieces display in such an upscale and elegant way. And you will be able to save 20% by using my personal discount code. So for more information about HERNEST and its furniture products, please see my description box below. Work our way to my office. And of course, I'm not sure if you guys remember or if you've been following me, you'll know that my office is in my master bedroom. So let's turn on some more lights. Okay, so right now it's fairly empty because I used to have it as a seating area as well in here along with the office. So I took out all of the chairs, and this is what it looks like now. I have this one unit here that I've already had in here already. And then here's my desk over here on this side of the room. And then I have this little corner space over here. And y'all, I have these 2 fans. One of these fans, they're gonna go in here once I get everything situated, but these fans are from Parrot Uncle. They sent them out to me last year, guys. That company has been super patient with me because I was supposed to do the collaboration last year, but you know, things just get too busy sometimes. But they have been very patient with me, and I told them that I'll get them out this year for the summer. So yeah, be looking forward to that video with Parrot Uncle. And again, like I said, I'm gonna put one of them in here. I'm not sure which one, but this is what it looks like. This is one of them, and then here's another one. Let me take this time to say welcome and welcome back. I'm Nita at Nita's Home Decor. To my family members who are always here, returning and watching, let me say thank you guys. I appreciate you so very much. However, if you are new and this is your first time here, welcome. And guys, remember, if you have not yet subscribed, please do so by hitting that subscribe button. Also hit the like button and that notification bell. I hope that you guys enjoy and continue watching. Looking at this wall straight ahead, because I did just tell you that I wanted to actually have more closet space, where I needed more closet space because it's just not enough in the closet that we currently share together, me and my husband. So what I was planning to do prior to Ernest sending out the units to me, which I'm still going to do, I was going to get an IKEA pack closet system here installed on this wall, and that way I can have more storage space for hanging clothes, housing my shoes, housing my hats, and a lot of other things. So IKEA closet pack system provides you with a lot of space. So I wanted to do one along that back wall. I've done the measurements and everything. I've already checked out IKEA and the closet system that I'll be getting. But in the meantime, since I have the other units that I got from Ernest, I'm gonna go ahead and add them to this space until then. So now I do have the 2 units in here, and this is what they're looking like flanked on the sides of the cabinet that I already had in there. So here are 2 multi-purpose storage boxes that I'm going to be using on the shelving unit, and these I picked up from Home Goods for $19.99 a piece. And guys, these boxes were not in the best condition, but I knew that they would work well. I don't know why they look so raggedy, but I still got them anyway. And this is how they are looking on the unit. I also picked up these 2 acrylic containers from Home Goods as well. And these black baskets came in a set of 2, and I picked these up from Home Goods as well. So now I'm just going to start adding some of my things to the unit, starting to the unit, or on the unit to the left. On the very top, I just added some of my belts and some of my travel eyewear cases there. And then on the second shelf, I have a tray or a drawer of costume jewelry, as well as a tray with some of my sunglasses there. And then on the bottom shelf, I have more costume jewelry as well as more of my sunglasses. Okay, and working our way to the unit that is on the right. On the very top shelf there, I have most of my perfumes there. And yeah, guys, I still have some things in my closet because, again, this still is not enough room to put everything that I need to on this unit. But I'm doing as much as I can, and it is actually freeing up a little more space in the closet for my husband. And then so here on the second shelf, I just have a lot of the body mist or body sprays here that I used for the second shelf. And then on the very bottom, I have my nail polish. I have my all-time favorite body lotion from Pink. It is the honey fragrance. And then to the left of that, I have the Dossier cologne that I did a collaboration with. I have Also, all of these samples that you get from say Macy's when you buy perfumes from them. And then in the middle cabinet, you'll see I just added some of my shoes and some of my purses. Okay guys, so this is what we have so far. I'm not saying that it completely resolved the dilemma that I have going on in my closet, but it did allow me to be able to create my own little personal space with some of my personal items, and they're easily accessible, so I don't have to deal with the chaos when I go in my closet. The things that I pretty much use on the daily, I have them right here at firsthand. So yeah guys, but what we are going to need to do is definitely tackle my primary bedroom closet, and maybe we'll have to get some type of custom closet system installed in there as well in order to be able to create some type of organization and a little more space without tearing down walls or building on or doing, you know, any major construction. But we definitely need more space, and like I said, in the meantime, I think this works out pretty good for me, and I'm gonna just go ahead and enjoy it for the time being. So keep in mind guys, this is a temporary solution, so that's why I haven't done really any real decorating in this room or hanging pictures on the wall. But if you had this extra space, let me know what you will use it for. Will you convert this entire space into just a complete walk-in closet, say with an island of some sort? Let me know. So you guys see what it looks like. You see I added all of my little goodies there, all of my personal belongings. I still have stuff that's in the closet and there, but until I get the IKEA pack system, I'll be able to add, you know, a lot more stuff in that area. And to be quite frank with you guys, the hubby, he hates it. He hates it. He says it's just too cluttered and he doesn't like it. Well, oh well, it's just gonna be for the time being. I like it. I sit at my desk and I like looking at my stuff. It's my stuff. So yeah, but like I said, in the meantime, that's gonna work until we get the IKEA Packs closet system. So guys, let me just also say thank you so much once again for watching. I love you guys so very much. And y'all, as always, until the next time, stay well, be blessed, and guess what? You know, your girl love you. Mwah. Bye-bye.